So you've created your list, and now you want to share it with your team. How do you do that? You could cut and paste the URL from the address bar in your browser into an email, but you might notice the URL can be long. If all you need to do is send a link to the list, there's a better way. Near the top of the screen, click List, Email a Link. Allow the site to open your email program, and then a new email message opens with a shorter URL already included in it. You know what to do from there. Okay, so you've sent a link to the list, but how do you know the people you're sharing with actually have permission to see and edit the list? Well, in most cases, people who have permission to the site have the same permission to all the lists on the site. So sending a link is often fine, and it works even when you didn't create the list. If you are the person who created the list or the site the list is on, there's an even better way to send a link and double check who the list is shared with at the same time. Up near the top of the page, click List, Shared With. If you didn't create the list or the site, the Shared With button isn't available and you need to just email a link. Now you can see this list is shared with everyone except external users. If you're not satisfied by what you see, you have two options. You can click Advanced to double check people's permissions to the list and make changes if you need to, or you can Invite People if you haven't already sent an email like we saw earlier. Notice the list is shared with lots of people. I can click Lots of People to see exactly who those people are. I type the names of the people I want to invite, and I can type a personal message if I want. I can see here that the people I invite are going to get edit permissions not only to the list, but to the Contoso Bistro team site that the list is on. That's because this list inherits permissions from the site. If I want to give people different permissions to the list, I need to cancel out here and go give the list unique permissions. We cover permissions in other videos. If the list already had unique permissions, I could click Show Options to adjust the permissions right here. But I'm okay with what I see, so I'll just click Share. The people I invite will get an email message with a link to the list. Instead of sharing just one specific list, you can also share the whole site so your team members can collaborate on all the lists and libraries on the site. Just click Share at the top of the site and invite people the way we saw earlier. To see more information about sharing and permissions, watch a related video.